Welcome back to another GeekaWhat video, and today I'm taking you over the best $200 gaming PC build for July and August 2015. This build is capable of easily smashing 720p medium settings, 30 to 45 FPS in the latest most popular AAA titles, as well as 1080p 60 FPS medium to high settings in your favourite titles such as League of Legends, World of Warcraft, CSGO and Minecraft. This build is very capable and great value for $200 with an APU from AMD, a nice motherboard, 400W integrated power supply with your case, 4GB of RAM from Kingston and much more. If you have found this video helpful, do remember to like, comment, rate and please do subscribe, and we'll see you in the next GeekaWhat video.